Hello, everyone. I'm Mrs. Ohms. I teach the health science technology classes at the high school, which is for those that are interested in pursuing a medical career. I also host the sponsor for HOSA Club, which stands for Health Occupation Students of America. Students in HOSA do a lot of different things. We do some community service, and we do some career development type things. Some of the community service events we did this year where we went to the Salvation Army, made Thanksgiving baskets, helped at Culp Food Pantry. We did a fundraiser for Jace Gray, and helped with Night to Shine, and we normally help with Special Olympics. We didn't get to do that this year. I know they were very disappointed. Some of the career development things we do is we all participate in the John A. Logan Health Career Showcase. We collaborated with SIH for a Career Essentials workshop this year. And also students are allowed to, our Heron High School HOSA affiliates with Illinois HOSA, which gives us the opportunity to do competitive events in medical activities. This year, we did the preliminary rounds for HOSA State, is what we call it. And we had 42 students qualify for state. After all was said and done and trying to figure out who all could go, we ended up with 27 that were set to go to HOSA State in March. And then with everything that has happened, they were unable to attend. But HOSA decided to do a virtual conference. And I just got the results of that on the 23rd, so I'm scrambling to put this together. 27 students were set to go, and let's see. And I'm very proud to say we had several students qualify in the top 10 at the HOSA State. So that's what I'm going to share with you tonight, plus honor my officers and the Outstanding HOSA Member of the Year. So these are the results from the Illinois HOSA 2020 SLC, which stands for State Leadership Conference Virtual Awards. In medical reading, we had a top 10 person. Our Andrew Jacobson is top 10. And not only is he top 10, he was in the top 3. Which makes him eligible to compete nationally this summer in Texas. In clinical nursing, Bailey Hudgens finished top 10. In dental science, Layla Wade finished top 10. In veterinary science, Olivia Hilliard finished top 10. In job-seeking skills, we had 2 top 10. We had Zoe Williams and Bailey Hudgens. Parliamentary procedure is a team. We had a team of seniors try out for this, and our seniors got in the top 7. That group was Madison Blankenship, Sophia Hughes, Hayden Mofield, Samantha Robertson, Shani May, Paige Duguid, and Josh Hancock. Recognized in the conference as organizational leaders were Shani May and Sophia Hughes for being flag bearers, and Madison Blankenship and Samantha Robertson for being voting delegates. These are my wonderful 2019-2020 HOSA officers. My president is Shani May, vice president Macy Parks, secretary Madison Blankenship, treasurer Maddox Yates, historian Riley Grau, reporter Sophia Hughes, parliamentarian Bailey Hudgens, and Sergeant-in-Arms Brylan Mizzo, who's not pictured. And that brings us to our outstanding HOSA member this year. Our outstanding HOSA member I keep track of points of how many people participate in activities throughout the year, and this member participated in them more than anyone else. And she also was a state top 10 qualifier, and that person is Miss Bailey Hudgens. Thank you all in HOSA who participate. I enjoy doing that. We made it work even though we couldn't go to state this year. I can still give you some honors, appreciate everything you do.